Question 18, and we've got a shape P and we're supposed to do some transformations on it. So the first thing we've got to do is enlarge P by a factor of -1.5 with a centre of enlargement -2, -1. And that's going to be there. So I've drawn two construction lines coming out from the base of P, and the base of P is length 2. So if we're going to multiply 2 by a factor of -1.5, the distance will be 3. So we need to find a horizontal point where the distance between the two yellow lines is 3. And that will be here. And indeed we have multiplied by a negative amount because the sides are swapped around. If you trace this point here, it ends up being here. So we have multiplied it by a negative amount. So there's my third construction line. So the shape Q will be here. And I can remove my construction lines to clear the diagram up. The second part of this question is a tiny bit odd in its structure. We first of all got to move triangle P round a rotation of 90 degrees anti-clockwise, so that's in this direction, around the origin. Now this is easier with a set of compasses and a piece of tracing paper, and you should get the answer of this. But this is not R. What we've got to do to get to R is translate our shape such that one of the vertices does not change. And what that means is we've got to move it such that this yellow blob matches up back with this yellow blob by moving the shape horizontally and vertically till those two yellow blobs sit over each other. You could choose any of the other vertices as well. You'd get different answers. But if I did this yellow blob, I'd have to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points to the left. So this is -7 in an X direction. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in a positive Y direction. And if we look at other possible answers, if I transform that red dot to that red dot, the translation will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in a Y direction, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -5 in an X direction. And if I did it with the blue dot to get up to here, this will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So a positive Y direction and -3 in an X direction. And any of those answers will be correct. And that's the answer to question 18.